Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up rear derailleur. Start by shifting to the smallest cog and loosening the cable pinch bolt so the derailleur can move freely. Check hanger alignment and make minor corrections to ensure good shifting. Adjust high and low limit screws carefully and fine-tune cable tension until shifts are crisp and consistent across the cassette. Begin by locating the H and L limit screws on the derailleur body and understand their directions. With the chain on the smallest cog, tighten the H screw until the jockey wheel aligns with the cog edge. Move to the largest cog and adjust the L screw to avoid the chain contacting spokes. Test shifts through the full cassette and readjust if any hesitations or overshoots occur. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more bike tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during rides and greasy repairs with a leak-proof lid and easy sip design, perfect for quick breaks between adjustments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a reliable bottle on the trail. Now let's get back to the video. With limit set, reattach the cable and pull it snug before tightening the pinch bolt to secure it. Pedal slowly and use the barrel adjuster to refine tension until shifts up and down are precise. Adjust the B-tension screw so the top guide pulley sits about 5 to 6 mm from the largest cog to prevent slow or noisy shifts while maintaining smooth chain movement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.